Welcome to Proger, and today, we're embarking on an exciting journey into the world of cybersecurity with our video introduction to Kali Linux. Kali Linux is a powerful operating system used by ethical hackers and cybersecurity professionals worldwide. Let's dive in. Kali Linux is a Debian-based Linux distribution developed for digital forensics penetration testing and ethical hacking. It's like a Swiss Army knife for cybersecurity experts, packed with tools and resources for securing networks and assessing vulnerabilities. The story of Kali Linux starts with its predecessor, Backtrack Linux. In 2013, Offensive Security transformed Backtrack into Kali Linux, focusing on a more robust and versatile platform for security experts. What sets Kali Linux apart are its extensive toolkit and continuous updates. It offers tools for information gathering, vulnerability analysis, exploitation, and post-exploitation. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, Kali Linux has something for you. Getting started is easy. You can install Kali Linux on a virtual machine, run it as your primary OS, or set up a dual boot system. I'll guide you through the installation process step by step. Let's explore a couple of fundamental commands. We'll launch the terminal and use ifconfig to view network interfaces and map to scan for open ports. These are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to Kali's capabilities. Remember, the Kali Linux community is incredible. If you encounter issues or have questions, forums, documentation, and expert advice are just a click away. Collaboration is key in the world of cybersecurity. That wraps up our introduction to Kali Linux video. If you're intrigued by the world of ethical hacking and cybersecurity, Kali Linux is an essential tool you should explore further. Stay tuned for more tutorials, tips, and tricks on this channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.